So when we talk about the purpose of assessment, we were talking about norm reference assessment and criterion reference. Just going to look at my notes here. So I talked about in my reflection norm referencing in dental hygiene would be like a working interview where the dental hygienist is is expected to show the employer his or her skills throughout the working interview, and the acting employer or manager would be doing several working interviews to find the best fit for them. And then a criterion reference assessment would be an example of the National Dental Hygiene Certification Board exam. This assessment tool has a bell curve, so depending on what the average is of that year, the students are, the failure rate is based on the average of the year. And then for Eisner's purposes of assessment, I chose to talk about that they direct students along certain pathways. I think that is relevant to dental hygiene because we make the transition from clinical in school to clinical in real life, and it's a very different adjustment. And because it's business related, the employers have to work with us for the first little while because it's very difficult to train someone who's coming from something so different. So that's what I decided was the most similar to ours.